robot. Here there are two switches with which we can start that robot. When I will switch it on, it will move its neck and hands that the robot is alive. And once it will switch on, it will show temperature here. So now the current room temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. When the temperature will go above 22 degrees Celsius, the fan will start rotating automatically. And when there will be a dark, the lights will glow automatically. And when there is a proper light, lights will off. Like I'll show you. When sensor will get proper light, lights will be on. When there is a dark, lights are on. And along with that, when I will say hello to him, it will shake hand with me and show hello, welcome to HTBS here at the screen. And I can control it remotely, like I'll show you. Thank you.